such as Zach, Gauti, Viru, Ashu, and Baju. I made some great friends and not such great friends playing for so many years. This is the same batch that created history and went on to win the World Cup under the great captaincy of MS Dhoni and exceptional coaching of Gary Kirsten. Probably the best international coach I played under. I would like to thank the selectors and Sourav Ganguly who picked me and gave me an opportunity to play for India in 2000. Selectors such as Mr. Chandu Bode, T.A. Shekhar, and others. I would also like to thank all my sports staff who made it possible for my body to last this long, especially Nitin Patel and Ashish Kaushik. I would also like to thank national team coaches, various IPL team owners and staff, ground staff, and anyone and everyone who helped me focus on cricket by taking care of the other things around it. I played with some great teams like Pakistan, winning and losing in 2004, 2006 and 2007. With Australia, losing to them in 2003 World Cup finals and beating them in 2007 World Cup T20 semi-finals and again beating them in 2011 quarterfinals of the World Cup. These were some epic battles and I always cherish these memories for the rest of my life. The adrenaline rush playing for India, singing the national anthem before each game, touching the Indian flag, stopping every run for the team or scoring every run for the team was a complete different high. To be a part of history that was made after 28 years, I mean honestly, what more could I ask for? Last and most importantly, I would like to thank my family, my mother who is present here today, my loving mother who has been a pillar of strength and I feel has given me birth twice. My loving wife, Hazel, who has stood by me in my tough times. My close friends who get sick of me but are always there for me. Everybody who I love is here today except my dad. Thank me, my friends in media, that he is not here today and just his message. I think it's a perfect day to move on. And last, I would like to thank the media, my well-wishers in media for capturing this lovely journey. I hope you'll be there for me in my next journey as well. And a very special thank you to the entire team of Endemol for putting this film together and the entire team of Viscrout for putting this on-ground event together. Thank you once again. This has been a lovely journey. See you on the other side.